Today, we're diving into Coinbase Advanced. If you're looking for a more sophisticated trading experience but are unsure if it's worth your time, stick around. There are some pros and cons that could really impact your decision. Coinbase Advanced is designed for serious traders who want more than just basic buying and selling of cryptocurrencies. It offers a robust set of tools for market analysis, including advanced charting features and multiple order types. The interface feels more tailored for those who understand the complexities of trading, allowing for greater customization and control over your trades. One immediate standout is the depth of trading pairs available. You have a wide array of options that cater to both popular and lesser-known cryptocurrencies. However, if you're new to trading, the learning curve might feel steep, especially with features like limit orders and stop-loss strategies. The platform also integrates seamlessly with other Coinbase services, which is convenient for existing users. Still, certain aspects like customer support can feel lacking, particularly during high-traffic trading times. Overall, the user experience is solid, but it may not be as beginner-friendly as some other platforms. Let's break down the pros and cons. On the positive side, Coinbase Advanced offers a comprehensive suite of trading tools and a vast selection of cryptocurrencies. It's perfect for experienced traders who want to dive deep into market analytics. However, the platform isn't without its downsides. New users might find it overwhelming due to its complex interface. Plus, the fees can be higher compared to other exchanges, which is a concern for frequent traders. Another drawback is the occasional lack of transparency regarding customer service response times, which can be frustrating during critical trading moments. In summary, while seasoned traders may thrive on this platform, beginners might want to consider starting with something less complicated. In conclusion, Coinbase Advanced is worth considering if you're an experienced trader looking for advanced features and a wide selection of cryptocurrencies. However, if you're just starting out, you might want to explore more user-friendly platforms first. Overall, it has its strengths, but it's not for everyone.